Are we doing the orange and blue? Are we doing shades of blue? What we doing? What's up, guys? So today is the day. Today is the day. What's up, guys? So today is the day. We putting up the Christmas tree. Today's the day. We put up the Christmas tree. I'm ready to get this decor out. If you've been watching my vlog, your girl has been to store, just trying to figure out what color scheme we was going with this year. I think we figured out. So stay tuned to see the Christmas tree reveal and the decor. Are we doing the orange and blue? Are we doing shades of blue? What we doing? Stay tuned to see. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the color combo that we're going with. The dark blues, the champagne gold, sky blue, white, and like the bluish gray. This is the combo. Let's see how it turns out. Let's keep going. I'm excited. Alright, Jaheem. Yeah.